Hey guys, Devin Anthony here, Airstream Buffalo. We are in the showroom today. I am just gonna do a really quick top 5 things that I love about this Bambi. First things first, this fantastic, awesome awning, right? Look at this space under here. It's huge, it's comfortable, really cool. As we come on the inside, number 2 thing that I love about this Bambi is the fridge. Look at how much size you have in here. Look at all that storage. So you do have a really nice fridge in here. Most trailers this size, you're gonna have a really small fridge, but you're gonna have usable space. The third thing, which is really my favorite thing, is this kitchen, right? The counter space is absolutely massive. Like, this is as much counter space as you're gonna get in a classic almost. Like, it's absolutely wild. Number 4, you do have a really large bathroom as well. This floor plan is really unique in the sense that you're gonna have a really large bathroom, really large kitchen, and a great living space up front. But you do have the shower that can fit a big boy like me. You have a seat in the shower as well. So the bathroom is number 4. Number 5 is right up here. This bed is so comfortable. It is a memory foam mattress that I can just sit here and sleep all day. Unfortunately, my manager would probably fire me if I did that. So thank you for your time. That's the top 5 things I love about the Bambi. Devin Anthony here, Airstream Buffalo. Thanks.